So this is a cool way to make chords nice and easy using Ableton scale awareness. So check this out. Select a scale that you like, that makes sense to you. I like E minor, and then you want to fold and then scale fold. What that does is it only shows you the keys in that scale of E minor. So what we're going to do now is select E, because that's the scale root note. I'm just going to select a second note just below that. So in this case it's C, and a third note just above that. And then we're going to stretch that all the way out to the end of the first bar. Press Ctrl D. That's just going to duplicate it. All we need to do now is just lift it up a bit, because we know it's in key. We can lift this up a little bit more and just copy this and bring this back down. Immediately you have 4 chords that make sense together. And now you can really easily add some arpeggiator steps. You're going to select the first note, which is the root note, set the second note, which is any of the other notes, and set that up like this. The third note will go above that, and then we'll end up with the root note at the end. Because we've done it for the first bar, we can just delete all of this and copy all of this by pressing Ctrl D, press up to bring them up a notch, copy these, bring them up another notch, and then copy them again down 2 so they go back to the root note. And this is how it's going to sound. If you think that sounds a bit slow, what you can do now is divide the speed by half. So now it's going to go a bit faster. Then the other thing you're going to do is go into LFO, use this pitch bend just to get a little bit more feeling to the arpeggiator, and then go into ornament and select grace notes. Set the position to 100%. So what you'll have are these extra notes. And once you're in the instrument, you can make changes to get the sound that you like. What do you guys think of that?